I am grinding up a steak to make burgers tonight with the meat grinder that I got from my dad in exchange for that fruit grinder thing that you saw in the previous videos. And I've done this a couple of times since I got the grinder, and they're amazing. Because the trim you get when you buy ground beef is just all the crap stuff that the butcher throws into a bin. But when you take a good steak and grind it up, you get something that's so much better. You can see all the marbling in here. This is a rib steak, so it's a good steak. This will make the most amazing burger.